Looking for the best smart speaker for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 the best smart speaker that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find the best smart speaker that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended the best smart speaker. Number 1 on the list is Amazon Echo Dot. Amazon showcased its Echo Dot at the 2017 Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, and it was met with positive reception. It is an Amazon smart speaker in a round-shaped device where you can expect to find a two-way audio camera, Bluetooth connectivity that enables hands-free calling, and integration of Alexa voice service like using your voice as a keyboard. Launched on February 17, 2015. This small cylindrical home assistant provides only 7 different voices, while none of them provides more than a dozen responses. Amazon Echo Dot launched as a valued speaker at $89 UADH 1171, while Samsung SMS TV 10K5i is cheaper than it by UAH $47.99, $63, but the same tool can be downloaded for free on Google Play Store. Will these bots pose threats to human trainers? According to some industry experts, such assistants are slowly taking over from people. Second on the list is Bose Smart Speaker 500. The Bose Home Speaker 500 Wireless is a smart speaker with an octave equalizer and Dolby Digital surround sound. This product was launched in 2007, but it continues to get newer features like the Google Assistant voice-controlled feature, Google Assistant's capability to say a phrase or even question when you can't think of the right answer. The fact that this gadget must be connected by Bluetooth every time one turns it on has also fallen out of favor. Bose speaker is currently available for about $350 plus the cost of a 36-inch LED HD TV if you're not nearsighted or don't mind watching things blurry. This speaker also comes with voice commands like Amazon Alexa. The company has invested heavily in its intelligent music hubs and other associated long-range speakers to roll out such products. Bose's website says that this device works flawlessly while streaming on all their products. Number 3 on the list is Amazon Echo Studio. The speaker is powered by Dolby surround sound with an octave-wide range that delivers better quality audio via 100 decibel speakers. The device comes with 2 3-band equalizers and 4 smart sensors to ensure a crystal-clear voice playback through your streaming service provider. Additionally, the Amazon Echo has been designed in such a way as it provides 80 decibels output while gaming on TV or listening late at night in low-volume mode, since one will not hear the sound while they are in there. The Echo produces crisp stereo sounds and is also backed by Amazon's virtual assistant Alexa. The device will play your favorite songs, albums, or radio stations just with a simple voice command that you can ask it via Amazon Echo app voice recognition feature. When setting up the speaker as a background music player on Wi-Fi Bluetooth-enabled devices such as TV boxes, smartphones and more, besides being able to ask it to play your favorite playlist or song. Number 4 on the list is Google Nest Audio. Nest Audio is a great way to control your smart home devices while being in another room, as you can listen to music or play games through this device. This comes with a speakerphone function so that one will not miss calls and talk, even if they are right next door. Likewise, the Google Nest Audio has a voice command feature so that it could easily ask for information on weather reports, TV programs, schedules, and more. Besides, it's equipped with a microphone to pick up your voice without having to talk at full volume. The Google Nest Audio is wrapped by a gorgeous speaker that produces crisp and natural-sounding stereo sound with its 10W built-in amplifiers-powered speaker system, which does justice in delivering clear notes for different music compositions as well. The device has advanced technology so that it can not only tell you the weather but also provides reminders, ask for information on any upcoming shows and movies, text your friends, and more. Number 5 on the list is Sonos One. Sonos One is a powerful smart speaker that takes pride in delivering 7.1-channel surround sound to everyone in the room with just one device, but does it mean that this version of Sonos should be discounted as a product without its advantages? Not really. This model was launched by the popular electronics brand and has received, so far, positive reviews from people who have purchased it for about $150 US due to its features, power, and design. But what is most important is the audio quality that can be heard by all people in the room and not just some music channels. Sonos One specifications are as follows: 4 drivers, 2 tweeters and dual woofers, a 10-inch OLED display allowing for touch controls, as well as geolocation, a microSD card slot to expand on its onboard storage of up to 256 GB. But if you're looking for something with a decent punch and beautiful design, then this speaker is a recommender, especially if you're looking for something that can play any format of music or just call somebody using some voice app on the phone. Just now is a list of 5 the best smart speaker that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.